Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of railroad. Line that is the commercial organization responsible for operating a system of transportation for trains that pull passengers or freight. Railroad line, railway, railway line, railway system. A line of track providing a runway for wheels. He walked along the railroad track. Railroad track, railway. Compel by coercion, threats, or crude means. Dragoon, sandbag. Supply with railroad lines. Railroad the West. Transport by railroad.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.